Do you want to know how you can log into your kits.ai account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your kits.ai account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC, go to the Google search bar and then search for kits.ai login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official page of kits.ai where you can see sign in on the top left hand corner. Go ahead and click sign in. There are three ways you can sign in to your kits.ai account. You can use your Google account, your Facebook account, or continue with your Discord ID as well. So you can choose these three according to your easiness. So go ahead and choose Google. If you have a Google account, press continue and then you can notice that you will sign in to your kits.ai account using your Gmail address. It might take some time, but in a while you will be logged into your kits.ai account. Now you can click on which of these you want. After clicking continue, you can click start for free and now you can start converting your voice and it will be turned into a very good AI voice. This is how you can download and you can log into your kits.ai account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.